Hey there, Buy Smart family! Welcome back to another episode where we help you make the smartest purchasing decisions. Today, we have an epic showdown between two titans of the robo-cleaning world. On the left, we have the Shark Matrix Plus 2" robot vacuum and mop, and on the right, the Kilgone robot vacuum and mop combo. It's a battle of the bots, and it's going to be a wild ride. So grab your popcorn, sit back, and let's dive into the dirt, literally. All right, let's kick things off with the almighty dollar. The Shark Matrix Plus comes in at a hefty $699. You could buy a small island for that price. Okay, maybe not, but it's still a serious investment. Meanwhile, the Kilgone is a budget-friendly $267. That's right, folks, you can get almost 3 Kilgones for the price of one Shark Matrix Plus. So if your wallet is tighter than your jeans after Thanksgiving dinner, Kilgone takes this round. Next up, let's talk about what really matters: suction and mopping power. The Shark boasts incredible suction and sonic mopping, which sounds like it's ready to clean up after a tornado. It vacuums and mops at the same time like a multitasking superhero. On the other hand, the Kilgone also combines vacuuming and mopping, but with a tangle-free large suction nozzle. Fancy words, but can it handle your toddler's cereal explosion? Reviewers say the Shark's sonic mopping tech scrubs 100 times a minute, making it highly effective. Shark wins this round with its power-packed cleaning capabilities. Now, let's see how smart these bots really are. The Shark Matrix Plus has 360 degrees LiDAR vision, which sounds like it's straight out of a sci-fi movie. It maps your home like a GPS on steroids. Kilgone, on the other hand, connects to Wi-Fi and Bluetooth and works with Alexa and Google Assistant. So you can tell it to clean while you're binge-watching your favorite show. But no fancy LiDAR here, just good old sensors. Reviewers love Shark's advanced mapping feature, making it the smarter choice. If you want your robot to be smarter than your smartphone, Shark takes this one hands down. Battery life and self-emptying. Because who has time to babysit a robot? The Shark holds up to 60 days of dirt and debris, and it empties and charges itself. It's like having a butler that never asks for a day off. Meanwhile, Kilgone runs for up to 100 minutes on a single charge. That's enough to clean up your mess and your neighbors too. But it doesn't empty itself, so you'll have to get your hands dirty. Reviewers appreciate Shark's self-emptying feature, making it the winner. Shark wins again, because let's face it, we're all a bit lazy. Finally, let's talk design and navigation. The Shark's got a self-cleaning brush roll and precision home mapping. It's like a ninja. Stealthy, smart, and leaves no trace behind. Kilgone, with its ultra-thin 2.91-inch design, can sneak under furniture like a professional spy. Plus, it has 3D precision obstacle avoidance. If you've got a lot of hurdles at home, Kilgone might just be your new best friend. Reviewers praise Kilgone for its ability to clean hard-to-reach places. This round is a tie. Both robots have their own unique moves. Overall, reviewers are impressed with both products. Shark Matrix Plus is praised for its advanced features and powerful cleaning capabilities, while Kilgone is appreciated for its affordability and effectiveness, especially in hard-to-reach areas. So there you have it, folks. The Shark Matrix Plus 2" robot vacuum and mop is like the luxury sedan of robot vacuums, packed with features but comes with a hefty price tag. Meanwhile, the Kilgone robot vacuum and mop combo is like the trusty hatchback, affordable, reliable, and gets the job done. If you're all about high-tech features and don't mind splurging, go for the Shark. But if you want a budget-friendly option that still packs a punch, Kilgone is your guide. Thanks for joining us on this wild ride. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which robot you'd choose. Until next time, stay smart and keep buying smart. Product links are in the description.